charges against the parents. What are your thoughts?
What are these parents doing giving a 15-year-old who seems to have some trouble, or any 15-year-old, a firearm, a handgun to use freely during a school day? It absolutely offends all sensibilities. These are minors. You should just not be mixing that type of uncontrolled firearm use with any minors, and they are then criminally culpable in handing a gun to a minor who had, and then the minor uses it. The result of those actions ended up killing people, and certainly, as they say, far beyond negligence. I mean, they put the tools of destruction in this young man's hand at an age where he clearly couldn't handle it responsibly. And I oftentimes say, people go too quick to blame the parents because it's difficult sometimes raising children, and as a parent, we all try to do our best. But in this instance, it does seem appropriate for charges to be brought.
Any scenario that you can see, James, where they can actually be charged with murder?
Well, murder would seem to go too far, right? Because they didn't pull the trigger. And we saw how that played out, for instance, in the Malice murder in the Arbery case. But the question is, did they is it I'm not in particular knowledgeable about the specifics of Michigan law, such as is giving a handgun to a minor a felony, but it doesn't seem like even felony murder would work here because they weren't there at the school that day when the shooting came. So it would seem like it would be more of a negligent homicide case against the parents rather than a murder charge itself.